At Expedited Service Partners, we understand that in the world of risk management, preparation is everything. Emergencies can happen at any time, and having a reliable plan in place can make all the difference between disruption and continuity. That's why we're proud to introduce our new Emergency Service Program, a forward-thinking contingency planning service designed specifically for risk managers and executives like you. We go beyond just providing emergency services. We visit your facility before a crisis strikes to develop a custom, actionable plan. Our team of experts works directly with you to assess potential risks, understand the critical operations of your business, and create a strategy that ensures you're always prepared. Whether it's power outages, equipment failures, or natural disasters, when the unexpected happens, you'll have the confidence that you're ready to respond. Expedited Service Partners is your trusted partner in risk management. Our commitment is to power your business through any challenge. Stay prepared, stay operational, and stay ahead with ESP.